Hey everybody, welcome back to Tammy Jo's Creative Corner, and today we're going to be making a little pad to go on top of those public restroom diaper changing stations because they're ew, gross. I am making a nice cushiony pad with some beautiful material so that way they're not going to be cold laying on the plastic. And at the bottom it's going to be very convenient because we're going to have little pockets to hold all of the things that you need when you're changing a diaper and their arms and legs are kicking all over the place. You don't want to have to worry about trying to dig into your bag to get the supplies. So it's going to be right there in the little pocket for you. All right, first what we're going to do is we're going to make the pocket. So we're going to set this little small Disney pocket on top of the blue pocket, and then that way there'll be a spot for all the small little things that you need to carry, and it'll give it a decorative touch. And what I want to do is I want to make sure that the inside of my pocket has a nice seam. So I'm going to fold over the edges twice, and then we're just going to sew over that. So that way it has a nice clean edge and there's no pieces of string kind of hanging down. So we're just going to iron that in place. We've already sewed our pockets, so now we are going to sew the cushion, and then we're going to attach the pockets and add the border. I lost my pedal! I found it. Cushion! Anyways, this is done. Let's put the pockets on it, put the border on it, and call it a day. And then I gotta go to work. I always fold over my corners like this, like the extra material might get in your way. It'll wrinkle up stuff, so fold it over nicely. And that way you can zip run through and it's not gonna get in your way. Alrighty, we're ready to go. This is going to be hanging so you can get all the stuff out of the pockets very conveniently. Alrighty, we're ready for the border! And then we're going to be giving it to my friend and see what she thinks. One thing you want to remember when doing your border is you never want to start on the end like this, okay? Because you want a nice clean corner, and what you're going to do is you're going to fold it over and then turn it and sew it down. So this will have a nice crisp corner. So you got to make sure that you don't start on the edge because the finished corner will not look nice. So you always want to start in the middle. I don't want the middle seam to be on the top where the head goes, so I'm going to do it on the side. So we're going to pin this in place and then we're going to start sewing. You always want to take an extra piece of fabric and test out your stitching to see what kind of size you want before you put on your border. Alright, we've got the desired stitchy stitch ziggity zag, and now we're ready to start sewing the border. And then we're done! I can't wait to see what it's done. It turned out great. I'm so excited. It's so soft and comfortable. And I'm gonna test it out myself right now. So let's do that. So I'm just gonna lay my head on this hard surface. It's not very comfortable. It hurts my face. Let's try something else. It's very comfy and not as cold. I think this is gonna be awesome.